What is up, guys? It's your boy Big E with Italia Chains, back again with another video. And today I just have a quick one for you, and it is our 15mm silver Mariner chain. This also comes in a 14 karat gold vermeil, and this is a classic, beautiful chain right here. The shine on this chain is absolutely insane. This is the finest Italian silver, and this is a heavy Mariner, super tight linked Mariner. This is a 30-inch right here, and it's coming in at over 200 grams. This is definitely a statement piece, definitely something that you would want to rock on its own. And let me throw this on neck for you guys really quick. And here we go. It lays perfectly flat, super heavy chain, definitely a statement piece, and definitely something that you, like I said before, you would want to rock on its own. Amazing chain. So guys, that's been the quick review today of our 13mm Mariner chain. This thing is shiny and it is an absolute beast. Make sure you head over to ItaliaChains.com, check it out. We have it priced to sell, as we are wholesale to consumer and always are giving you guys the best possible prices that are out there on the market today. And with that, guys, make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and leave some comments down below about the Mariner. Do you guys like the Mariner? Do you guys own a Mariner? Do you pass on the Mariner? I personally think this is an amazing unique chain. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Again, this is your boy Big E, and I am out. Peace.